Texas. Islam is not compatible with Western civilization.
It is not.
It is not compatible with Western civilization. Now, what can be done as the Attorney General?
We like our laws and protections of the individual rights to extend to everybody, but we're very concerned about the rise and expansion of the promotion of Sharia law. Could you give us a little background on that and kind of tell us where the Attorney General's office is on that?
This is a huge issue around the state, Kelly. People talk about the Islamification of Texas all the time, and it's a real issue. If you look at just the number of first-generation hardcore Muslims coming from Muslim-majority countries directly into Texas, first-generation, unassimilated immigration into Texas. Texas is ground zero for the destination of where these people are coming. And then once you get one or two family members in, they can then begin the process of chain migration. But not as many people are talking about the smaller pocket, the smaller cells that they're setting up in the Panhandle around Amarillo or Lubbock or wherever it may be. It's a huge issue. It's such a huge issue that my very first broadcast commercial on the campaign trail earlier this spring was on the Islamification issue, because I want Texans to know, I want Republican primaries to know that I am dead serious about rolling back the trend of Islamification in Texas. Islam is not compatible with Western civilization.
It is not.
It is not compatible with Western civilization. Now, what can be done as the Attorney General? Well, my campaign promise from the beginning has been to treat the Islamists, the Sharia law pushers in Texas, the same way that the feds treated the Mafia in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. They have an exceptionally well-funded and sophisticated network of 501c3 nonprofits, 501c4 political action committees, shell corporations, grant-making entities, political candidates, sympathetic judges, legal entities, major sophisticated law firms that are able to do pro bono work for them. They are very firmly entrenched, and they have all the tools necessary to continue infiltrating our state. We need an Attorney General who isn't just going to talk about stopping the Islamification, but an Attorney General who knows how to wield those tools, those legal, administrative, statutory, and common law tools to treat the Sharia law pushers like the feds treated the Mafia. And we're going to smoke them out of Texas. Bottom line, we're going to hold them accountable in court. And if we don't do that, they're just going to self-deport. They can go back to their home countries. You've got any number of dozens of Muslim-majority countries where they can enjoy the blessings of Sharia law, whatever those things are. Or they can just go self-deport up to Ilhan Omar's district. I don't care, but they're not going to operate in Texas when I'm Attorney General, bottom line.